Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film a Valentine's Day inspired look. I did a lot of pinks and purples. Um, yeah, and this is just how it came out. My lashes look a little wonky. I feel like I stuck the glue on like my bottom lashes. Oh, I don't know. They just look off to me. But yeah, so today I used the Huda Beauty Palette. I just got this. So yeah, I mostly used this in the crease, which is amber, and then I used these two purple colors, which is Twilight and Amethyst. And then I used a little bit of Angelic. So yeah, and then I also used the Modern Renaissance palette just because I feel like this palette is like perfect for Valentine's Day because of all the reds and pinks. But I only used Love Letter in this palette, just like on the outer like third of my eye. But yeah, this is how it came out. I love it. I think it's super like sexy, like and super glam. So like this is more of like a glam look for Valentine's Day. Oh, my eyes are watering like so bad right now because there was like a fuzzy in my eye and I tried to get it out a second ago. But anyways, yeah. So it's a super glam Valentine's Day look. I'm also gonna do one that's more like understated and like natural. But like if you want to go full out glam on Valentine's Day, this is definitely the look for you. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, please keep on watching. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this look. I loved filming it and I hope you guys loved watching. If you guys did, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope to film more looks like this in my upcoming videos. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you guys are watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one.